Okay, a very good morning children. Children, today let us discuss few problems on profit, loss and discount. We have completed the chapter but we have not done any problem. Without problems we cannot understand. After understanding the theory part, we must solve some problems to have a better understanding. See, I have taken one example. I have given two questions. Suppose Ankit sold 2 jeans. Ankit is selling 2 jeans for 990 rupees each. That means this is the selling price of each what? Each jeans. And on selling one jeans he is gaining suppose 10%. He is getting a profit of 10%. And on selling the other jeans he is having a loss. He is having a loss of 10%. You see, on one he is gaining 10%. On selling the other he is losing 10%. The question is, then what will be the overall loss? You see, find his gain or loss in the whole transaction. Whole transaction means what? Whole transaction means on selling both the jeans. On selling both the jeans, what will be the profit percent or loss percent that Ankit will get? Okay, that we have to find out. So in this question, there are two cases, because in one case there is a profit of 10%. In other case there is a loss of 10%. So we will divide the problem into two cases. In case 1, what is given? See, we are given selling price of the first jeans, it is 990 and the profit is 10%, but we do not know what is the cost price. In the second case, you see, in the second case again you are given what? You are given SP equal to 990 rupees, then your loss is 10% and we do not know what is the CP. So in these two cases, if we can find the cost price of the first jeans and the second jeans, you see, our aim is to find his gain or loss percent. What is gain or loss percent? Formula you know. Gain percent means what? Your gain by CP into 100. We do not know what is the CP, you see. We do not know what is the cost price of the two jeans. Okay. So we have to find the cost price of the two jeans. So if selling price and profit percent are given, you know how to find the what? Cost price. What is the formula? You use the formula. It is SP into 100 by 100 plus profit percent. This formula. By using this formula, you can easily compute what is the cost price of the first jeans. Okay. Let us find out. SP is given how much? It is given 990 into 100. This is 100 plus 10. It is 110. 100 plus 10. It will be 110. So 990 into 100 divided by 110. You see. Now you can easily compute 0 cancel. Okay, 11. This is 90. Okay, 11 9 is 90. 0 cancel 90. So 90 into 100 it will be how much? 90 into 10 it will be 900. You see. This is the cost price. Look at. This is the cost price of the first jeans. Okay. Now we have to find what is the cost price, because in the second jean, you see, on selling the second jean, Ankit is losing 10%. So we have to find what is the cost price of the second. Okay. Now to find the cost price of the second, again we will use the same formula. Let us apply. So CP equal to, you see, case 2. So CP equal to, same formula you see, it is SP into 100 by 100 minus loss percent. Because you are given loss percent and selling price. So use this formula to compute the cost price. Now this is SP is how much? 990 into 100 divided by 100 minus 10, it is 90. Okay. 100 minus loss percent is 10. 100 minus 10 is 90. Now 0 cancel. 9 will be cancelled. It will be 110 into 0. It will be 1100. You see. Rupees. Look at, the cost price of the second jeans will be 1100 rupees. Okay. Now what is the cost price of the first? First jeans is now 900 rupees. So now we got the cost price of the first jeans as well as the second jeans. So now we can easily find what is the therefore total CPUC. What is the total cost price of both the jeans? It is 900 plus 11. You see, 1100. So it will be rupees how much? It will be 2000, 1100 and 900. It will be rupees 2000. So this is the total cost price of both the jeans. Now we know what is the total selling price of each jeans. It is given 990. So find out total SP of both jeans. It will be 990 plus 990 because it is same, or you can multiply 2. Okay. So 20 is 0, 2, 9, 18, 1980, you see. It is 1980 rupees. Now we got the what? We got the total cost price of both the jeans and total selling price. You see, now look at CP is 2000 and SP is 1980. So which one is greater? So CP is greater. So as CP is greater than the selling price or SP, so there will be profit or loss. We know if CP is greater than SP, there is what? Loss. Therefore, loss equal to CP minus SP. You find out it is 2000 minus 1980. That will be rupees 20. This is the loss amount, but we have to find loss percent. So loss percent is loss by CP into 100. You use the formula? Okay. So in place of loss, what will we put? 20. In place of CP, what will I put? 2000 into 100. You see. So 0, 0, 0, 0 cancel. 10 into 20. 10 into 2 is 20. 20 by 21. It is 1%. You see. So there is 1%. You see. There is 1% loss in the whole transaction on selling both the jeans. There is a loss of 10% in the whole transaction. Okay. I hope you understood. We will discuss another problem in another class. Okay. Thank you.